What if I told you there's a skincare ingredient proven to reverse signs of aging? A hero backed by decades of science that can smooth wrinkles, fade dark spots, and make your skin look years younger? Say hello to Retinol, the anti-aging revolution hiding in your serum. Stay tuned, because today we're breaking down everything you need to know. Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A nutrient your skin already loves. But when packed into serums, it becomes a powerhouse. Here's the kicker. Retinol is a gold standard ingredient approved by dermatologists worldwide. Unlike trendy fads, it's been clinically proven to tackle aging at the cellular level. Let's geek out for a second. Retinol works in 3 ways. First, boosts collagen, plumping skin to erase fine lines. 2, speeds up cell turnover, shedding dullness, revealing fresh skin. 3, fights pigmentation, fading sunspots and acne scars. Studies show consistent use can reduce wrinkles by up to 40% in 12 weeks. But here's the catch. Patience is key. Retinol is a marathon, not a sprint. Not all retinol is created equal. Start low, sad face 0.3% to avoid irritation, dry, or sensitive skin. Look for buffered formulas with hyaluronic acid or ceramides. Pro tip: encapsulated retinol releases slowly, gentler for newbies. Pair it with antioxidants like vitamin C for double the glow.
Hey guys, this is Brooke. This is my honest review of the Advanced Clinic's Tea Tree Oil. I struggle with acne as an adult, and tea tree oil is the only thing that actually works on my skin. I was using straight tea tree oil, but it was so harsh on my skin, it was drying it out. And then I was looking for a product, and I found this Advanced Clinical Oil. And this stuff works without being so harsh on my skin. It has the tea tree oil that works with that blemishes and cracked skin. It also has that vitamin E that really helps your skin with the redness, and it has mixed with witch hazel, which calms that redness down. So how you use it is you clean your face and then use this little dropper. I love the dropper because I can really just drop that oil right onto the infected area that has the blemish, and then you put a little moisture on it if you want to. But this dropper is really nice. It's easy to use, and I love how I can be precise with my application. I love this product because it's using all natural. It didn't have any chemicals in it. I also really love this product because I can only need to use it when I need it, when I have a blemish, and I don't have to use it every single day. So this bottle has lasted me so long. So it's just a really good product, and I highly recommend it.
Retinol isn't a magic potion, it's a long game hero. But stick with it, and your future self will thank you. Ready to join the revolution? Drop your retinol questions below, and hit subscribe for more science-backed skincare hacks. Like this video. Watch next. Superfoods. 5 tips to boost your energy levels.